Hi everyone, I'm Dave Bateson. I'm the Assistant Dean for Student Affairs here at the University of St. Thomas School of Law in Minneapolis. Glad to have you joining us today on our webpage or YouTube, wherever you're viewing this. I've been at the University of St. Thomas School of Law for just about 6 years now. Prior to coming here, I did my undergraduate work at the University of St. Thomas. I did my law school work at the University of Minnesota Law School. Then after that, I spent 5 years as a litigation attorney in one of the downtown Minneapolis law firms, doing civil litigation work, trying cases in front of juries and administrative law judges. 6 years ago, I came to the University of St. Thomas School of Law to take over our mentor externship program, which you may have read about at other places on our webpage. It's a required externship and a required program here at the University of St. Thomas. So I spent the last 6 years administering that program. I spent the time recruiting the mentors who participate in the program, which includes over 500 local lawyers and judges who volunteer their time to serve as mentors to our law students in one-to-one pairing relationships. Recently, I just took over this job as the Assistant Dean for Student Affairs here at the law school. So in my current role, my focus is to make sure that all the students who join us here at the law school have an outstanding law school experience. In terms of what drew me to St. Thomas, it's some of the same things that I hope will draw you here, some of the same things I hope you experience when you do come here. And that is first and foremost our unique mission. I'm someone who's very passionate about the legal profession. I love the practice of law, and I really enjoyed the time that I spent practicing law. At the same time, the mission here is, I think, what drives most of us to join this community. I hope it's part of what appeals to you and what's interested you in taking a look at attending school here. I think you'll find that the mission really infuses and is alive in really every aspect of day-to-day life here at St. Thomas, and as a student here, you'll get the opportunity to experience the mission and live out the mission, not only in your interaction with other students and how you treat one another when you're here, through your interaction with student organizations and student government, but also, more importantly, through your interaction with the faculty and staff here. I think one of the unique aspects of St. Thomas is how much the faculty and staff of the law school really invest in and care about all of our students. So when you come here, you're going to get the opportunity to really get to know us, and we're going to get the opportunity to really get to know you. That's one of the exciting parts of having a new group of students join us every year is adding to our community and having you enrich our mission with your presence here. So look forward to seeing you in August, hopefully.